everybody. Would you look where we're at today? We're at the happiest place on earth. Well, today we are going to go to downtown Disney and possibly hit up another resort. We are right now just driving in. We are, I believe, right around the corner. Oh. Alright, as you guys can see, there's a bunch of construction going on right now in this area. I believe they're building a exit from I-4 straight here into downtown Disney. It's going to go right into the parking garage from what it looks like. We'll be coming up on that here shortly. But you can see Disney Quest right off over there. Yeah, huge sand mountain over there. Don't know what that's being used for, but Typhoon Lagoon is right on the other side of those woods. If you've never been there, we've been there plenty of times. Probably one of the best water parks in Orlando. Probably Florida. But I'm going to have to put the camera down here for a minute because we are coming up on some serious traffic. Let's see if we can... Oh, there's awkward. Awkwardly catch anybody. Cast member. Here we are outside of La Nuba. This is a Cirque du Soleil show. It's twice a day, I think 6 o'clock and 9 p.m. showings every day but Sunday. It's pretty pricey, but it's a great show. Seen it twice for my birthday, both times. One time. But it's a great show. It runs about 2 hours and 15 minutes long. And let's go in the gift shop and check out some stuff. You got the urge to go bowling? Go to Splitsville. Nothing like going to Disney here in Frozen. I found Harry Potter at Disney. So here we are at the Boathouse. It's a brand new restaurant out here. Got some really nice boats and stuff to look at. You can go out over here. I believe you can charter most of these boats for a certain fee. And then they have AMPA cars over here. I don't think there's any out. They have what's called a quad ski. That's pretty cool looking. Yeah, it looks like at the moment there are no boats going out. But here's something, watch. Part of the show or just one drunk Disney guest? You make the decision. It's a Chris Craft. This is probably the best boat you can buy. I love these boats. Oh, old school gauges and everything. Oh yeah. And a smaller one. Another big one. Dalloon. It's called the Dalloon. I'd love to go out on one of these. The newer Chris Craft over there. Want to take your lady out on the boat? Perfect boat to do it right here. All pink. It is a full-on boat. It is not a car boat or an AMPA car is what they call them. This is a full-on boat, just styled to look like, I believe it's a 50s year style Cadillac, if I'm correct. But I believe this is probably the most beautiful boat out here. There's one of the AMPA cars out in the lagoon right now. Pretty neat. They say they are the fastest car on water and the fastest boat on land. They do about 7 miles an hour in the water and I believe up to 25 on land.
Well, look at this one. Not this fast enough for
Yeah, check this one out.
It's a Cadillac.
It's a hot rod.
Cadillac Sealark.
Oh.
I like the steering wheel to that.
Yeah. I think the Tim Tracker got this one in his vlog also. And I remember seeing this one in his vlog. This one's pretty cool.
Did you like this one?
Yeah, this is the one Tim liked. But yeah, it'd definitely be a great boat to go out on if it's gonna rain. It's got a roof on it and everything. Look, it's Dunkin' Yo-Yos, not the donuts. Oh look, they got a little Dunkin' stand out here. This is neat. Yeah. These are all trick ones. That was our first yo-yo I ever owned, was a Speed Beetle. That's crazy. You buy a yo-yo and try to do something like that. It's Snow White and the 7 million Legos. It starts with a tail. Ah! Watch out for Stitch. He shall spit on you if you come near him. Or you'll get ran over by a kid trying to get sprayed by him. But we're going to go get free chocolate over here at Ghirardelli. Ghirardelli. Hey everybody, we are now over here at the Boardwalk. That's a little shot there. That's Spaceship Earth off in the distance. And we are just chilling here, having a good time, walking around. We are actually on our way now over to, I believe the Swan. We're going to try to catch IllumiNations from the top there. If we can't do that there, we are going to stay over here. And we will just watch it from here somewhere. At the Atlantic City Dance Hall. It's like a adults-only dance club, 21 and up. Over there's Jelly Rolls. It's a dueling piano bar. And just basically go in, have a good time. But over there is, I believe, the Beach and Yacht Club. A little boat dock there. It's hard to see because it's dark now, but there's a pirate ship over there. It's got a slide in it. But we are going to head over to the Swan and see if we can see the fireworks from there. We'll catch up with you guys then. Oh man. Decisions. Okay, I got it. We'll go to Yacht. Nope. We're going to go to Swan and Dolphin. We'll go this way. That's where we're heading, guys. Gonna head over here. It's actually going to be our first time here. We've never been here ourselves. So we shall enjoy this together for the first time. Catch you guys on the inside. Well, isn't this just a beautiful view? I like this. Don't you, honey?
I love this hotel. I want to stay here.
Yeah, in a million years.
You're right. Expensive.
Very. But just look at the fountain out front. Look how gorgeous that is. But we are on our way in, so we'll check it out even more from the inside.
Like another convention going on.
Alright, so here we are. We're inside the Swan. It's awesome in here. I really like this. No, I'm sorry, we're in the Dolphin. This is the Dolphin. I mean, it's just amazing the way the roof is. We're just going to peek in here really quickly. There's actually a convention of some sort going on right now, so there's not much we can do. A lot of the hotel is closed off because of it. But we'll see if we can get inside the gallery for you guys or something like that. There's a little Central and West elevators. But we'll see what we can get for you guys, and we'll be back shortly. Alright, so unfortunately they wouldn't let us go into the art gallery with the camera because the artist was actually in the store. We got to meet Jim Warren. He was a really nice guy. But we're going to check out. We're going to try to see the fireworks from Boardwalk. So hopefully we get a good view. One of my favorite things about coming out to the resorts is every night, weather permitting, they show a movie. And I'll probably get copyright for this, but I just want to get it. They're showing Little Mermaid right out here in front of the boardwalk. They do this every single night. Different movie every night.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.